Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect orange margarita cocktail like a pro. I hope you will like this amazing recipe. So let's go and jump in. Today we will start by extracting fresh orange juice. So take a medium-size orange, and press it on the juicer to extract fresh juice for this cocktail. Margarita is one of the most popular tequila cocktails concocted with tequila, contro, lemon juice, and simple syrup. But today we will make a stunning green margarita just by adding a little fresh orange juice and blue Curaçao. I hope you will like this recipe. Now take a glass rimmer. And first press an old-fashioned glass on the sponge to coat with lemon juice, and then slowly move it on the green-colored salt so that salt can stick to the rim. Lovely. Now take a mixing glass and start pouring all the ingredients. So first pour 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of tequila. Next pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of contro. After contro, pour the same amount of simple syrup. Next pour the same amount of blue Curaçao. After the blue Curaçao, pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of fresh orange juice. Perfect. Now squeeze 1 medium-sized lemon, or pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Now add 6 to 8 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. Perfect. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Next carefully add 8 to 10 ice cubes. And pour the mixture straight into the glass. Awesome! The orange margarita cocktail is now ready, so just put an orange slice into the cocktail, and garnish it with a slice of fresh lemon slice. Cheers! Have a great day! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching, and drink responsibly.